Hey guys, it's a zombie hippie with another update on his main or my main menu. Talking in third person. So this is my main menu that I've been working on for the last 3 days, along with some homework stuff. Anyway, um, a couple of things I've added are I've added a lot more movies, as you can tell. I took away the play button that goes under it because I think it would be better if you can just click it, and plus I don't have to slow the application down with um, locating where the play buttons would go. For the seasons, though, I do still have play buttons. That way, you can pick which disc. And I've I've added all of these titles. I own all of these titles on disc, and I've decrypted them all to my external hard drive. This is all the files. It's taking up just the movies this is movies plus those 3 extra seasons. It's taking up 376 gigabytes, and then my Simpsons, which should take up more, I think. Oh, it takes up 302 gigabytes, and that is Simpsons all the seasons from, well, excluding the first, second, third, and all the seasons after 13 because they haven't been released to DVD. Anyway, one of the major things that I've added to make it easier and things is the spread of the movies. So here's an example of what it would look like after I save it down here. And if I increase the spread, it'll spread the movies out more. And then I can increase the size of the rollovers to be like huge. And it also tells me how wide my app will be. So my screen is about 1280. That's what I have the window set as, so I'll say around that, just a little bit more. I'll still be able to see everything, so I'll just take that down a little bit. So that's what it'll look like when I'm done. That's what all these will look like. So if I save and it'll refresh on save, now everything, it goes right to the edge, just barely to the edge of my screen now. See, I can make it full screen. And then it gives a little bit more room because I don't have the side edges. But then, so that'll be good because different resolution monitors at school or on other computers that I may use or on projectors may not be the best, or maybe a lot larger, so you can display stuff larger. So like I won't, after this it won't be easy to everything will fly off the screen because it's too high. So if I do that, that's how large it'll be. Now this is what I sometimes would use. Well, I wouldn't use it this big of rollovers, but this is what I might use for like an HD TV or my monitor when I have it at full resolution. It's not full resolution now because I'm recording a video. But that's complete. It's pretty much very customizable, and what 105 means, because that's the highest it can go. That is the actual width of these small icons for each DVD. And so yeah, so that's what I've added, and things that I am going to add in the future will be you'll be able to scale down the movies. So you'll be able to scale down the movies, so for smaller monitors, and I'm going to try to make it so you can say how many are in each row, and maybe it'll have a small, like, kind of like this. It has a example of it, but it'll show like a picture of some sort that would be an example of what everything will look like as a layout. So those are things that I've chosen to add, and those are things that have been added. And okay, one other thing that I'll probably do is I'll butt these small icons up right under these, and that won't be too hard because everything is located with math. So I'll just have to change like 2 variables, well, the y height of this. Okay, well, that I will stop talking about programming, and that's that. That's my new improved DVD menu. And thank you for watching, and subscribe because I almost didn't put this out because I thought it would be too soon to put out another update. Because anyway, check out the other one to see improvements, and I'm always adding other programs, or if you think that you have a really good idea for a program that you want me to take a stab at, I can try it if I like the idea. I know that's anyway. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.